What do you peeps say? Should we open the box and bring the bad boy out or not? Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And guess what? We have the Pixel 6 in the building, and this one here is your Sorta Seafoam color. And before I bring it out of the box, do note for full disclosure, this is a used device, but on a brand new device, you would of course have pull tabs over here. In my case, the pull tabs have already been pulled, so let us go ahead and remove the top, and there it is, beauty in the building. And of course you're greeted with your device. Sorta seafoam green color looks pretty dope, my favorite color from all the different colors of the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro, which Google has released. Other than that, inside the box you do have your type C to type C cable, then you have your adapter for data transfer, you have the manuals and stuff, and within this very manual thing on the back you do have a SIM ejector tool. And unfortunately Google is following Apple's way of removing the charging block from the box, so there is no charging block in here. But this here is your Google Pixel 6 U beauty, and this is how it looks like when you take it out of the box. You do have to remove this protective film, and once that is done, this here is the beautiful Pixel 6 in Sorta Seafoam green color. We are going to of course turn the device on. Now do note, this device is used as I mentioned earlier in the video, and the screen protector tempered glass is already applied. Now the one which is applied on this specific device is linked in the description of the video, and it does look pretty good. It lines up pretty well. The advantage being that the Pixel 6 has a flat display, unlike the 6 Pro which has a curved display. So this here is the 90 Hz 6.4 inch panel. Let us have a look at the device. So on the bottom you have your type C charging port, the speaker grills, and your antenna band line over here. On this side you have your antenna band line, one over here and one is near your camera module. Then you also have your SIM card slot, and on top you have two more antenna band lines along with a noise cancelling mic. And then on this side you have again antenna band lines, one is over here, one is over here near the camera module. And then you also have your volume rocker and the power button. Do note, the power button is not textured, or it is not of a different color, which was the case with the previous Pixels, and I'm not sure why Google decided not to have a different color for the power button. It does look pretty dope. Then moving over to the back, so this here is your camera module, camera visor, camera bump, pretty unique to the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now do note that the Pixel 6 only has the normal camera and the wide angle. It does not have the telephoto lens which is present on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. And of course you have your OIS on the cameras along with your flash. Google logo is here, and the green color, oh my god, I am super impressed. The frame here is matte finish, it is not glossy finish like that on the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and it is cold to touch. So me personally, I do prefer this matte finish on the frame. And the back is not much of a fingerprint magnet, even though it is slippery, and I do recommend that you get a case for your Pixel 6 or the Pixel 6 Pro. But the back is not that bad of a fingerprint magnet. I think the color here helps it out with the fact that you do not see the fingerprints that much. Moving over to the front, so again you do have your 6.4 inch 90 Hz AMOLED panel. Scrolling seems to be pretty smooth. Animations of course have always been smooth on AOSP based ROMs, and stock Android is known for its smoothness and its pretty cool animations. So yes, So far, the experience has been good. Now, with respect to your weight distribution, now, even though I think this phone is around the 200 grams mark, the weight distribution on this one is pretty good. What about the one-handed use? Well, you can use it one-handed, but in certain applications it is going to be very difficult. So yeah, one-handed phones are becoming a rare commodity, but this one can pass that just by the slightest of margins. Again, in certain scenarios you will need to use both your hands, but definitely you can scroll and handle the device with one hand, and this camera bump here can act as a finger rest in case you want to do that. So what else? Well, my dear friends, I am very happy with my purchase of the Google Pixel 6, and again be on the lookout for a comparison video with the Pixel 6 Pro and which device I prefer, which one would I recommend, and which one would I keep. So all those videos are coming up down the line, but this one feels solid, super solid, and the color dope, super dope. Which brings us to the question that, do we put a regular case on this or do we put a transparent case? My vote goes for a transparent case to show off the awesome green color. Sorta seafoam in the building. What is your opinion? Do let me know via comments below. And that will do it for this video. Initial impressions of the Pixel 6 are pretty good, and hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.